Everyone, it's Jasper here. One sec. Hi. Um, I am back again with another video. It's been a long time since I have did a webcam, but finally got it. I've been screen recording some games. I can't find a way to actually talk. So yeah. I'll be playing some Roblox. I decided to start playing a little bit of Piggy. If you guys don't know what Piggy is, it's a game by Minitoon. Let me just show you. If you search him in players. I'm currently playing on PC. One sec. There we go. This is Minitoon. He made a game called Piggy, as you can see right here. There are different chapters to this game, and so yeah, Piggy is sort of like Granny. There's different chapters and stuff. Yeah. And basically, you can choose different game modes and maps. I'll see if everybody wants to. Try to start from chapter 1 over to chapter 11 and 12. So yeah, there's many. As you can see right here, I don't know if you guys can see, but right here it says, you have what it takes to escape Piggy and uncover the mystery surrounding the beast. So yeah. If you haven't subscribed to my other channel, it's called Minecraft Studios. Now you won't see it. You gotta actually search up a video or type in Jasper Owen Dude. It's spelled like JASPEROWENDUDE, and you should see one of Minecraft Studios' videos. That is my first channel I've ever created. So make sure to go subscribe to that one. We're trying to get a goal of 100 subscribers to this channel and my other one. So if you could subscribe, like, and comment, I would love to. I would love that a lot. If you guys want to, my username is JasperOwnDude. If you want, comment your usernames and we can play some Roblox sometime. This is Piggy. Here it is. Sorry, it's very loud. Alright, everyone. I'm gonna choose House Chapter 1, please. Okay, everyone's choosing Distorted Memory. This is the final. See, look, there are different modes. There's player, infection, bot, and player and bot. A bot is just a bot that walks around and tries to get you. Player is somebody playing as Piggy. Infection is when the Piggy kills somebody, you turn into one of them. Alright. So, I guess we're gonna play Distorted Memory for now. Alright, George. What a nightmare. Penny, you awake? I guess that's what George calls Peppa. Penny? Okay. I haven't played Roblox on a computer in a while, so I'm gonna do my best. Whoa. What happened to the house? Dang. Oh, should be useful. Okay, let's. Oh, yep, there's the piggy. To try not to die by it. That's the main goal. And that's its jump scare sound. Right now, a player is playing. So, somebody's playing as memory. And I died. Don't blame me. I've pretty much. I'm not really used to playing on computer a lot. So, let's look at other things. In the shop, there's different skins you can equip if you are Piggy, like regular Piggy. This is based off of a kid show called Peppa Pig, but they made it with a horribly evil twist. So Piggy is Peppa, little brother is George, mother is Mommy Pig, father is Daddy Pig. Okay. And there's a lot more. There's grandmother, there's Sheepy, Pandy, Teacher, Memory, which was the one I got killed by, Kitty, Mimi, Dino Piggy, Daisy, Angel, Pony, Devil, Doggy, Giraffe, Fairy, Foxy, Piggy, Bunny, Skelly, Clowny, blah blah blah, Tigry, Heresy. I want to get this one. I really like this one. There's Zizzy, Robbie, Torturer, and Polly. Polly you can actually buy from the shop. It's a secret. So I'm gonna equip this one. But this is actually a secret skin. I think it's limited time, but maybe. So if you go in chapter 10, the mall, you open up the birdie bank with the orange key, and you get the card which you find in the green safe. You put it to the lasers. You need to get past the lasers. Once you get into the vault, you'll immediately get the skin. So basically, this is this is who we're talking about. This is George, which was who we're playing for now. George is not infected, but the creator wants you to think he's infected. Because look, right here, it says little brother, which is George, infected, but he's not actually infected. So yeah, I can spectate the others. I'm just so happy that I can finally screen record while talking. I'm gonna be playing a lot of games in Roblox. There you go. Here's the ending. I didn't get to see it because I'm dead. I played it before, so yeah. We are gonna play a different game. Comment down below what games you want me to play. Oops. Yeah. So yeah. Ask me in the comments what games you want me to play, and I can play them. If you want to add me, yeah, and you can add me. But for now, we're gonna play a game called Welcome to Bloxburg. This actually costs 25 Robux, but it's a game. It's a cool game. You can make your own houses. It's like a life game. You know, you have to pay for house bills. You can make a house. You gotta get a job and work. Role play and stuff. I'll show you guys my house. And I can show you some tips and tricks to so you can fun blocks for when it goes. When you start, it'll say like what kind of house do you want. If you have Robux and you want to use it, then you could totally just click on buy some money and pay for other houses. But if you're cheap, then you could just get the free house. It doesn't look like this. That's a nice house. You could build to make cooler houses and stuff. So one sec. Here's my house. I'm gonna give a quick tour. Yeah, so here's my house. I'm a kid right now because I was recently playing. Here it is. Let me just give you a tour. So this can turn out the lights. This is my garage. No cars in it because I'm saving up for one. Alright, yeah, this is the front part, some lights. There's a bird. There's a bird house. And some. Let's go into the main house. Here we have the living room and the kitchen. This is the kitchen. Yeah. Here's my room. It's gaming PC. And I only have one security camera. But yeah. Yeah. So some tips and tricks. You should probably keep your house that you have, that you first get. And I would suggest working at a place called Pizza Planet. You could click this button, you click work, you click go to work, and then you keep going until you find delivery person. Yeah, I'm too young. But yeah, the more deliveries you get paid more for this job. You keep working, you'll get promoted and you get more money, then you can save a house and stuff, or yeah. So yeah, that's it. I'll make another Roblox soon. Make sure to stay safe, everybody. Uh, yeah, we're on lockdown right now, so I'm just posting videos because I'm bored. But yeah, so make sure you guys stay safe. Use hand sanitizer, wash hands, all that kind of stuff, and preventing you to get coronavirus. Well, my time here is done. I will probably post tomorrow, maybe. But I'll see you all in the next video.